Ever wondered what secrets lie in the heart of the Amazon rainforest? Here are 3 mind-blowing facts that you won't believe. Let's dive into the wild. The Amazon rainforest is home to 10% of the species on Earth. From exotic animals to rare plants, this jungle is one of the most biodiverse places on the planet. Did you know the Amazon produces about 20% of the world's oxygen? It is often called the lungs of the Earth because it is so crucial to maintaining our atmosphere. Believe it or not, there are still tribes in the Amazon that have never come into contact with the outside world. They live in total isolation, untouched by modern civilization. Who knew the Amazon was this incredible? Hit like if you're amazed, and share this with someone who loves nature and adventure.